Yo, too many guys think that rejection is a one-way street. Their biggest fear is for you to get rejected from a girl, not knowing that, yo, you can reject them first. And true power comes from choice. True power comes from options. This is why when you see these signs from a girl, this is when you need to walk away. Number one, she doesn't offer to pay. This is a massive red flag. Look, I'm the one that believes that if you're the one that does the inviting, like if you tell her, yo, let's go out, I think you should pay. It shows dominance, it shows leadership, it shows that you can provide. However, if it's date 2, date 3, maybe you're in 2-3 months, and she not once has said, yo, let me take you out, or even made the intention to try to take the bill and pay, this is a massive red flag that this girl's just mooching off of you and you should walk away. Number 2, she doesn't stop talking about her ex. Look, if she's constantly comparing you to like, oh, but my ex would not do that. Oh, but my ex would do this. Oh, I hated this about my... This girl's obsessed and you're probably just a rebound. And look, if she tells you about her ex once, cool. But if she constantly keeps bringing up that ex, just know that all she's thinking about is that ex and she's just using you as a crutch. Walk away. Number 3, when she doesn't wear makeup. Now let me explain. This only matters if you've actually seen her wear it or if you know that she actually likes wearing makeup. Meaning that for whatever reason, if for the first day she pulled up with no makeup or looking as if she put in the least amount of effort, it's because she's there not trying to impress you. She has no interest in trying to make herself look good for you. And at that point, that's when you should walk away. And to think you wasted the good stuff, the Santa Lucia fragrance on her, trying to impress her. Boys, don't even waste your oils on that stuff. The good fragrances, you should reserve those for the valuable queens, especially because we just dropped, boys, today, February 12th, we just dropped our new fragrances for Santa Lucia. So all 3 fragrances are completely different than our past 3 fragrances. And as you know, our fragrances sell out like crazy. Our last 3, I restocked 3 times and all 3 times they've sold out. This time, I expect nothing different. This stuff is gonna sell fast. And if I were you, I would go pick up a pair. Actually, I would pick up all 3. See, if you buy them individually, they're about $150 each. And before I keep going, there is free shipping and free returns. For the first time ever, if you live in the United States, there is free shipping and hassle-free returns. Bro, what? If you buy the whole set of 3, you're gonna get $150 off. That way you can get all 3, and it makes it better because it gives you versatility. See, all 3 scents have a different purpose, which if you want to see more about that, I suggest you watch our campaign. It's going to be on the homepage of the website. I also will publish it here on YouTube. Watch the campaign to see the inspiration behind all 3 scents and why they're so unique. These are masculine. These are sexy. These are completely different than your Dior Sauvage and your Eros that everybody else is wearing, and more importantly, they're unique. They've been crafted in-house with our partnerships with their fragrance house in France. These are the best oils in the world, and it's a parfum, which means that each fragrance is at 21% concentration, which basically means these are the most luxurious fragrances you'll own, and they'll last you longer. You're gonna need less sprays because it's so concentrated. Boys, if you guys want to check out the new Santa Lucia collection that includes our Asabache, our Love, and our Gala fragrance, I would click the link down below. Number 4, when she continues to post half naked. Look, don't let her fool you. That ain't for herself, king. That ain't because she's confident and she loves her body. Don't let her fool you. She's doing that because she's looking for attention, even though you two are dating, so she shouldn't be looking for attention from other people. See, if she wasn't looking for attention, why doesn't she post that on Pinterest? Why doesn't she just post that on Tumblr? No, she posts that on TikTok. She posts that on Instagram, on her Snapchat stories, where she knows for sure guys are going to simp and drool over these pictures and flood her with comments and give her that validation she's looking for. More importantly, when she's doing that, she's not only just looking for validation, it's like she's putting out feelers. And when one of these guys ends up being more valuable in her head than you better believe she's gonna take action on that attention. Number 5, you feel drained. Look, anytime you're with her, if you feel drained, you gotta walk away. And look, it might be that she's good in bed and she has you hooked, but crazy girls will literally suck your soul out of you. To the point that every time you deal with her, it's always a fight, always some sort of toxicity. Every time you go home, now that you're away from her, you always just feel emotionally and just mentally exhausted, like you don't want to deal with it. that's when you know you need to walk away. And finally, number 6, she doesn't respect you. I've always said this, relationships are a two-way street, and when women don't respect any sort of boundaries that you set, this is a clear sign to you she doesn't respect you. Anything that you said that you tell her that this is what you feel comfortable with and without, if she always crosses that line, this is when you know she doesn't respect you, and when you should just walk away. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our Santa Lucia collection just launched. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.